So I'm trying to get comfortable with playing this, right? Because it's not the same as when you play a piano. It feels different. And I don't even feel like, even though people say it's set the way a guitar is, because I can't hold it up like a guitar like I would typically play, this feels just different to me and playing it. So I'm trying to get used to it. So I'm just using 2 chords. And then I'm adding the drums. So in the drums, what I did was I used the jazz kit that's actually built into here. It's one of their 64, I think they call it jazz kit. And so the 32 has less in it. The 64 has more pads. And obviously you're working within this frame here and using this as the, so I did the drums first. Here I can mute it. So I sat there and played each one of my drum parts and then adjusted notes. And originally when I did this, I had it at a slower pace. Then I went back and I adjusted it to 87 BPM, which I actually like because it's not my normal way of, I usually would be slower than that on music. But it kind of gives it, that's my dog coming in, kind of gives it a cool little, I don't know if I want to, what I would call that. But anyway, you can figure out for yourself what you feel like it sounds like. And then I added in see what I played. And these are just 3 to be honest with you, I know I'm in what key I'm in just C major, which is fine, right? So it's not hard to figure out what the notes are I played. It's in the C major key. It's pretty clear, but here, let me go back to the MIDI. But right here, so you can figure out what note that is. So this is G, right? And then over here, this would be D. And this note right here would be F. No, F, tripping. That's G. This would be it would be A. So G, D, A. This is C. This is gonna be G. And this would be D, C, G, D. So just as simple as that. I'm just showing you real simple. It's not very intricate, but it gives you some chordal. And then you can play over the top. So if I want to record that, then I just press record. I like to do shift and play, send the cursor back to the beginning, and then hit record. We'll just play in some melody over. And so you could duplicate this and make another track with the same thing. Maybe erase the chords on the next one and just do the notes. Whichever. My dog decided to get in her chair and sleep. You good? All right. So anyway, there you have it. Just something simple just to show you that it's not hard to make songs on here. And I'm using everything that's built into here too. So you don't, it's not like you have to have like a ton of different instruments. The instruments in here are decent. They'll work to get you started. And then if you want to use your instruments inside your computer, you could always switch over and do that. Once you lay down something you kind of like, you can get real more intricate with it if you wanted to. This is just that upright piano using the intimate version. That's what I have it on, is the intimate one. It sounds good. Then you could go into your bass. If you, in this case, yeah, I'm using an actual bass, but you don't have to. You can use a bass within there that you like. I don't even have the bass plugged in, but I didn't record it. But it's not complicated, right? Just plug in to one of the sides here. Oops. Now I have the bass on. I didn't even tune up, but let's just play. Maybe I should tune up. So I'm not gonna record this on camera, but the ideal here is just to get yourself going, to show you how quickly you can throw something together. This didn't take me that long. I actually did it slightly before I turned the camera on, so it really was a quick thing just to get going. So anyway, just wanted to show you that, and I'm out.